Hello, this is my Project0, and in this video I'm gonna demonstrate the specifications that have been implemented for this project. Okay, let's get started. As requested in paragraph number 1 of the Project0 specification, this website has 3 pages. One for Google normal search that you can see it right here, one for Google image search that you can see the page by following this link up here, and at last Google advanced search that can be accessed through the first page by clicking on this link. Number 2, as requested, you can type a search query here, and by pushing Google search button you'll be taken to the Google search result page directly. And about appearance of this page, the search bar, like Google's own search bar, has rounded corners and it's centered, and the buttons are centered too, and they are beneath the input search bar. Number 3, on the image search page that can be accessed through this link here, you can type a search query here, and by pushing this button you will be taken to the Google image search result directly. Number 4, on the advanced search page we have 4 input fields to search by all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. And by pushing advanced search button you'll be taken to the Google advanced search result page directly. Number 5, about the appearance of this page, all of the options are stacked vertically and left aligned too. Unlike Google's own CSS, the advanced search button is blue with rounded corners and white text in it. Number 6, as you might notice, we have I'm feeling lucky button on the normal search page, which takes the user to the first Google search result by passing the Google search result page. And for the last part, about aesthetics, which is going to take a little bit more time to demonstrate, on the first page we have 4 options here in the header section, one for profile, one for applications, and 2 links to follow with hover action enabled, one input field with rounded corners and hover action enabled, and it stays focused while the user typing some query in it. We have 2 buttons here, and the hover action works fine with gray outline and box shadows, and the focus action works too with blue outline. In the footer section we have plenty of options, and by hovering on any of them the cursor changes to pointer, as you can see. About aesthetics of the image search page, almost everything are similar to the normal search page, but there are some differences. As you can see, we have 1 button here instead of 2. We have this camera icon here, and I've added this image text to make it more similar to the Google image search page. And finally, about the appearance of the advanced search page, you can see some differences. The header section has a background, the Google logo is here, items are left aligned, and if you click on any of the input fields, the outline color becomes blue. The advanced search button, as we discussed before, is blue with white text in it, and if you hover on it, you can see a shadow effect applied. The footer has 3 items in it, and the hover action works for them. If you hover on them, the cursor changes to pointer. And this page and all of the pages are responsive to width changes and zoom. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom a little bit, and I'm going to change the width. The same about the footer of the normal search page. You can see the footer will be vanished, and same for the image search. Okay, that's all I had to demonstrate for Project0. Thank you for your attention.